Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex here, whatever. I figured since I was trying to do some videos, I might as well try and get a shot of the blondi eating. Have had no luck trying to do this in all the times I've tried to do it. So super fast, I've learned a couple things about this thing. That sounds redundant. One, this bitch will jump after food. Like literally jump into the air after food. Super fast. Little something they never tell you. Anywho, let's see if she'll take it. Ooh. So she missed, which means this cockroach is over here. Gosh. Yeah, see how fast those bastards go? So this is a trick. This is usually what ends up happening when I'm trying to record stuff, or at least record her, is she will miss the cockroach on the first swing. So I'm trying to record. Now this cockroach is over here, and there you go. Pretty fast, very large spider. And into its den. So that's cool. Decent footage for once. Thanks for watching, guys.